Alright guys, today I am going to show you where the model number is located in a Whirlpool top load washing machine. A lot of people can't find it, so I am going to show you really quick. So when you lift up the lid, there should be a model number normally under there. Excuse this, I am getting ready to work on replacing my agitator dogs because my washing machine is doing this. It's not cleaning the clothes and it's not locking. That is for another video. But the model number is located right under the lid. So I'm gonna get this focusing. This, oh, sorry. So this here is the model number, and this is the serial number. If I go under a little bit more, you can see where it says MOD, which means model, and the SER means serial. Some people also go by this number, but that's not the model number. All right. Thanks for joining, and I hope this video was very helpful. I'm going to clean my washer off and get finished on this agitator here. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if this was helpful. Thank you.